Hi, Dale Donovan from The Car Show. We have a Toyota Corolla that was brought into our shop. Customer's complaint is they have a metallic sound. Let me show you what's wrong with this car, what we found out. Here's the wheel, it's all bolted up, but what the problem is, they got a bad wheel bearing on this car. This is how bad this wheel bearing is. My point being, you should not ignore noises, okay? When your car starts to make a noise, don't ignore it. Get it checked out. Be sure to tune in every Saturday from 4 to 7 on 55 KRC, the talk station.